how to add your story to narrative on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK. Now click on your story here and then click these 3 points, and here we'll find it, add to narrative. Now just select any narrative you want here, or you can create it, and that's it. And I hope that can help you because it's easy, and uh, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.